And welcome back to Space Engineers, everybody. This is K Nordic, as always. Anyways, so I've been doing a little bit of work off camera. Not a whole lot. I put in some doors to our base. And this is going to be like a makeshift airlock. I'm not going to have any vents or anything because there's no room. I just wanted a little place where the air could be in there and then get out and I'll get just launched out into space. And I built the little platform, moved the big ship over here, which is going to be dismantled, mind you. Started on our ship, which I'm going to redo because I'm thinking we need a miner. We need an atmospheric miner to get those ores. And for that, excuse me, for that, I want to set up, make our first room. Before I build the ship, I'm going to make the room. Let's go ahead and close that just for the fun of it. Make a room in here which has all the refineries, and on the other side will be the assemblers. But for right now, I just want to get the refinery room drilled out, so this will be fun. So I'm gonna get, well, hopefully I fix the audio problem too. I'm gonna check that after I cut here, so if not, I'll start over. Ooh, little lag there. There we go, drilling away. Alright, I've done some drilling, so I'm gonna just start filling in with some unknown signal. It's too far away. So I'm gonna start putting in the blocks for the floor. I kind of wanted a door to be 3 wide, so let me see what I can. I might have to fix that a little bit. Or should I go over here? Well, that's fine for now. I will fix it up. I might have to make this place a little bigger, but I just wanted to put the blocks in to see how far along we've come for the drilling part. And I'm going on the assumption that the stone walls are airtight. I don't know, because I kind of want this base to be just built into this this mountainside or underground, just for a little different. Something different. There, right there, and right there. Yeah, I'm probably going to make it, because the refineries are big, and I want to get 2 of them in here, and also connected to the pipes, which are going to lead outside with a connector, so my ship can dock, and also there's going to be pipes all under here. Right. Yep. So let's just start welding this stuff. I have the setting on super fast welding because, you know, you don't want to be here all day welding. And okay, what do we need for a refinery? I'm not going to worry about that just right now. I'll do that off recording. There's our refinery. I'll show you how big this thing is if you don't already know. Yeah, I'm going to need to go way higher, and also want a room for those upgrade I could actually, I'll just put it right there. Yeah. Now I got a little guide to see how much I have to dig or drill. Call it what you will. So I will be right back when I've finished the drilling. All right, about a half hour of drilling and measuring and drilling and measuring. Finally got a room for the 2. This is turning out to be quite the project. Now we just need to weld these suckers into place. And we're going to need lots of steel plates. And construction components, motors, and what do we, large steel, no, steel plates, motors, and large steel tubes. That's what I need. Steel plates, motors, and large steel tubes. Oh, okay. Try and remember that. Gotta go out there. See, we're gonna tear the ship down and start mass producing this stuff. I do have, let's see if we can't Hide empty. We don't have enough steel plates, so let me just dump that in there. Start producing the steel plates. Just do 3,000. I think I should have enough iron. And pick that up. About 1,000 of them, and I'll just go place down the steel plates as fast as I can. Oh, already out of steel plates. Gotta go back for more. This is kind of a... There's something weird in the game, because if you look, I may have placed the blocks a little crooked, but if I go like this, now I'm more straight, so I don't know what's going on there. Maybe the gravity... I don't know if there's a gravity generator in here, making it all wonky.
Meteor storm
inbound. But oh boy. Need to also produce some motors, so let's just make 100 of those. Inventory. 500. Oh, man. Where are those meteors coming? I need to set up a defense perimeter. That's gonna be cool. A little base. I'm gonna have a door here, so these are not visible. Okay, all the steel plates are in place on that one, and this one still needs about 1,000. Oh, goody. Well, I'll be right back when I get that. Alright, that should do it for the materials. With the large steel tubes, this thing is done. And that is functional. We just need some power generating in here. We do have some solar panels, but that's not going to be enough for all of this stuff. So, now, we need to actually drill some more. We need to drill a tunnel underneath here all the way to the outside. Well, that's always fun. Luckily, there's like a right-click function, so I think that. Yeah, that's beautiful. Got that thing. Got the connector right there. And so I'm gonna go down. Well, not until. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna go down underneath. And drill. This takes a long time. Luckily, with a right-click function, you don't collect all that stone. That does help. But it does take a long time because it's really hard to drill in one direction. See, now I'm drilling down. Didn't want to do that, so yay. I just want to go underneath here. And now I'm just going to drill. Yeah, beautiful. Yep, drill. My brain doesn't work. Okay, there we go. Okay, so bring down the pipes over here to some what are they called? Yeah, one of them I can't think of what it's called. Conveyor junctions. There we go. Conveyor junctions, and bring that all the way outside. It's going to be quite a job, so let's just get started. Whee! Whoops. Alright, we've built the tunnel all the way outside. And I'm thinking I'm going to go... Yeah, that pole, I'm going to get rid of it. I don't like it going straight down like that. I'm going to do something better about that. So first we need to lay down these conveyors. That's one right there. No, you know, I need I'm going to connect this for this junction. Then a number 5. Oh, small steel tubes. I need small steel tubes. Of course I need small steel tubes. Let's take this way out. Whoa, whoa. Alright. Let's get in here. I think I was making some. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay. Good. Okay, and one down there. And we'll put another let's not get ahead of ourselves now. Are we? And this is gonna take some time. Construction components. Always need something. Good, good, good. It's fine. It wasn't that far of a tunnel, at least, so take me that long. Okay, I can never hit the right button. More construction components. Alright, let's go ahead and cook that up. Getting good at that flying thing. Production, construction, let's make up a bunch. And I'm just going to go ahead and complete that. So I'll be right back again. Alright, I'm back. And finally, I've completed the wiring, the tubing. It's exiting out of this little thing right here. I don't know what you call it, but I'm trying to keep it airtight. And you can see what's going on over here. Let's turn some light on. And yeah, tubing goes all the way, and it's all green, it's all connected, which is awesome. That took a long time, because I need a lot of small tubes. Performance issues. Oh yeah, the world saving. World save. Okay, so for now we're gonna close this off to make it look all clean. Okay, hit that. Come on, there you go. Good. And I may put a junction there, but that's alright for now. It looks fine. Looks fine. So those are all connected that way. When I get in here with all my juicy minerals, look at all the asteroid hits or meteors. I can just connect up to this and it'll get pulled into the refinery. We don't have any storage area yet, but I'm going to go ahead and work on that later. But for now, we're going to need to build a mining ship. So let me get the parts necessary for that. So I'll be right back again. Alright, we are back and getting ready to build. I've got some of the parts. We're going to need lots. Most of the thrusters I'm going to get from the ship. So we're not going to worry about the thruster components or whatever you need for I don't remember. But anyway, the first thing we're going to do is make the drill part. And for that we're going to need lots of these small conveyors, because the ore goes through the small. Rotate that. Nope, not that way. That way. Like that. Like that. We're going to go 3. Whoops. There's going to be a lot of that. We're going to have lots of drills on bottom here. We're not going to make anything small. It's going to be an upright. So using gravity as our friend. Yes. And yes. Should have probably, yeah. Should have probably moved that out a bit, but that's all right. Yeah, we need some of these jobbies. So I need one. Okay, let's see, 8. 1, 2, and number 7 there. Always need motors. Motors are my enemy. Let's see, do we have any motors? I probably do. Perfect. It's going to be a rather big thing. Boom. Of course, rotate correctly. And boom. It's going to be huge. So we're going to need a lot of thrust on this bad boy. I think one more out should do it. What do you think? Overdoing it? Maybe. And then the corner piece. There we go. Beautiful. And more drills. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get this placed. And then you guys pretty much get the idea, I guess. If I can just get it on there. And I'll bring you back in when I'm ready to build the rest of the ship. How about that, huh? So I'll be right back. Well, I guess I'd bring you in for this one. Holy crap. It looks like it's getting close, but it's going to miss us. So anyways, that's a good thing. Still haven't set up any guns. But that's, whew. Could be fun. Okay, this is where I've gotten. I got all the drills completed, and on purpose, I dropped this down on the landing pad. Absolutely on purpose. Anyway, I know you're probably thinking it's probably a little overkill with the 2 large reactors on here, but we're going for a little bit of symmetry. Because why not? We have the stuff for it. So yeah. I'm gonna be building. Do I have any steel plates? I do not. I don't have anything. Let's see. Let's get the steel plates. It's fine. Don't need a whole lot for these. So I'm gonna build kind of like a frame around here, a little higher. I'm putting. The reason for that is that I'm putting the large. If you look here, the large atmospheric thrusters, right? And they are quite large. I don't want them to damage. I think they should be fine right about there. I don't think they should damage. They don't. Famous last words. Like that. Like that. I'm going to have 6 of those. 3 on each side, front and back, and then fill in with small thrusters for left and right. And such. Yeah, go all the way up there. Perfect. Uh-huh. Did some painting too. You can actually paint these parts. That's pretty cool. That's why they're dark grayish blue. One more up here. Like right there, and then for symmetry.
Energy low.
Yeah. She is a nagger. Bam. Where's the thruster? Number 8. There we go. I think that was it. I'm not going to worry about the direction of these because they work. Yeah. Starting to like it. Should be able to get lots of stuff for with this thing. Recharging just a smidge. And we're gonna need a cockpit on this bad boy. I think that's one right there. Done with the drills. Probably gonna stick it up a little bit. So let's. Went too high with that one. Fixed it. Let's see which way. That's front and back. Could be any which way, but I'm going to go with like that. Bulletproof grass and glass, computers, display, and something else I don't remember. Computer. I think we had some bulletproof glass somewhere right here. Displays. Let's see. Construction components, of course. How did I not know that? Everything needs construction components. It's probably not going to be the most efficient. Okay. I think I did something. I need to put a connector on here somewhere, and I don't want it under the thrusters, but I don't want the thrusters. I'll work that out in a bit. But yeah, this is pretty much the design I'm going with. Let me just go ahead and put in the little rockets, or the little thrusters on here, and I'll see you then. Alright, we're back at the big ship. It's time to grind down these
Meteor storm.
these motors, thrusters, and this is what I came up with. Okay, that's fine. That's what I came up with. I put all the thrusters on. This could be interesting, so let's just get them put into place. A lot of welding. Out of motors. Whoa. let's see. Some of you might notice that I don't have my upgraded parts anymore. Well, I ran out of hydrogen and I was right here and it just, yeah, it's insta-death. Whoops. Motors, there's tons of them on here, so we got plenty of resources for making your mining ship. Alright, that's I think that should do it for those thrusters, and these I believe need a lot more. I'll just throw everything I got in them. Like that. Whoa! Let's get this big guy here, huh? Yeah, we're full. Throwing all the motors I could possibly need. Okay. The motors are heavy. You don't have to actually destroy the whole thing and get the parts. That one's done.
Inventory full.
Yeah. Well, this one requires large steel tubes, so we need more motors over here. What do we need? Metal grids, and what do I have over here? Okay, too many motors. I'm gonna just dump this stuff off. I think this one should have some more metal grids. Very good. Whew. Okay, that's the thrusters, and we need some gyros. Do need some gyros on here. So let me get those placed, and also the connectors. I'll figure that out, and I'll be right back. And there it is. It's all complete. All I gotta do is put in some... there's no battery on here, but we're gonna have enough uranium, I hope. All we gotta do is put the uranium in. I'll put 10 in this one. Oh yeah. And it's got lights. It's got lights. Darn thing works. And put 10 in this one. Look at that. Now, will it fly? This is kind of scary. I am in the cockpit. And oh, it lifts off just fine. Turns. Let's head, doesn't go very fast, but that it doesn't need to. Okay, let's get out to an exterior view, because this is the best way to do the mining anyways, when you're in a ship on a planet. Cockpit view will just get you killed. Okay, I gotta set up my controls. Tool, drill, just put that on one. Yeah, they work. And there's some ore over here. I know. And I'm also going to put on a filter system so it'll drop all the stone. But right now I do need some stone in there, so I'll leave it undone for now. And let's get slowed. At least it flies. Look at this thing. It looks ugly. Little robot. Okay, let's go down. And this is where it all could go bad when it's not powerful enough to lift up all the ore you collect. I think there's some down there. The range on this ore finder on this thing is not that great. But you can kind of see where I've been drilling before. I believe there was gold or silver down here. So let's just get set down on the ground. Make sure you don't tilt forward, because this ship is not very strong when it comes to flying vertical. Okay, there we go. Let's just drill down and see what we find. Oh, that's loud. Yeah, it's gold. Melting it like butter. Gotta be real gentle. Gentle touch. Now I'm right clicking so I don't collect all the stone. Okay, and you just need to... Is there any gold in here yet? You can go up a little bit. No, not yet. Still just stone. It's pretty deep. Ooh, ow. Okay. Stop. There's some gold, and let's go. Now watch the weight in this thing over in the lower right. Yeah, gold for days. Okay. Now we can go in here and you can see I've gotten 11,000 kilos. Of course, tons of stone. That's not exactly what we want. Gold is not that important yet. So I think this should do this for a while anyways. But yeah. That is exactly how the ship works. Just gotta keep it straight. Don't nose down, and you'll just crash. I like it. It's like a powerhouse. You can also fly kind of like a helicopter if you need to slow down in a hurry. Now we're just gonna test our connection point here. See if this goes into the refineries. Okay, we're coming in hot, so let's... There we go. Slow this down. So far, nothing is broken on it. Okay. Using the big thrusters to slow us down. Okay. This thing does not have any oxygen generator on it. It's just a driller, so keep that in mind. If you're going to make something like it, you will run out of oxygen on Mars. Yeah, we're going to beautify this a little bit later on. Put some lights up. And connect. Locked in place. Let's check our inventory. Let's see if we can access the refinery. Okay, put all the stone in there. Oh yeah, we put... we'll put... what, 10,000 over there. Looking good, looking good. Everything is working. And now we can leave the ship. And it'll just stay there parked. Not using any thrust. So yeah, that's going to do it for this rather maybe lengthy. Might do some extra cutting to keep it reasonable. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and we got our first ship. So see you next time. Bye-bye.